Here is a whole transcript that contains the timestamp and the answers separately, as you can see. And here is yet another version that contains just the answers without the timestamp. You can see that this is accurate, and it does not matter how long or how big the audio or video is. So we have this accurate transcription that even considers punctuation marks. So to do this, we need to go to Google Drive, and I'm going to go to New and then More, and then look for Google Collaboratory. Click there, loads, and then we can just give it a title here. We can keep it as it is, and we go to runtime, and then we go to change runtime type. Click there, and we go to a hardware accelerator, and we change it to GPU. Then we click save. After this, we need to go to the description box of this video and copy and paste these codes that I'm going to share with you. So we have the first code, or the first two codes. We have these two scripts. We need to just copy and then paste them using Control V, for instance, as a shortcut. Okay, make sure that there is no space here, and then click run, and wait for it till it is complete. So this requires the internet connection, of course, and it's better that it is a strong internet connection. Now, as you can see, it is being installed. Once it's installed, I can just go to files and drag and drop the video that I need to transcribe. So we have this interview, questions and answers. I need to just drag it to the browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and then drop it here. So there is this warning, etc. So I click OK, and then wait for it till it is uploaded to this folder. Once it's there, I can just go and create another code. So click code, and then I go to the description box, and then copy and paste this code here. You see here the enter file name here. This needs to be changed to this title. So we can just hover the mouse over it. You can say interview questions and answers .mp4. So I need just to put the exact name. So it's better to go to the original file, then try to rename it, and then copy its name along with its extension. So I need just to put its extension just manually. So I'm just going to paste this, Control V, and then .mp4, and that's it. So once it's there, I'm just going to click run. Once the code is run, as you can see, you can find the transcript here along with the timestamp as I showed you at the beginning of the video, or you can just click this refresh here and download the text file for each version, like the one that contains the timestamp and the other that does not contain the timestamp. So we have different extensions here, so you can just see how they look like. This is in brief how you can go about transcribing videos, audios, or any audiovisual files using this Whisper AI technology. And you can get, let's say, the transcript in Microsoft Office Word, so you can just copy and paste it from this text file to Word document, and then analyze it. Maybe in case you want to do qualitative data analysis using thematic analysis, just let me know if you just arrived here. Just post that you arrived here so that I can make another video concerning how we can go about qualitative data analysis using some AI tools, and you can do that super fast and in efficient, let's say, in efficient manner rather. Okay, this is in brief how you can go about transcribing videos or audios to text. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below, and see you soon. Bye for now.